How to fix Safari not loading websites on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on troubleshooting and fixing issues when Safari is not loading websites on an iPhone. So let's get started. The reason might be because of your internet. So what you're going to do is go to your control panel and you can long press on the connectivity section, and then you can turn on airplane mode and let it be for 10 seconds and then turn it off. And once done, you can try opening your Safari and the issue would be resolved. However, if the issue is still there, you can head over to settings and then you're going to scroll down till you find apps. So once you come to apps, you're going to scroll down till you find Safari. So just search for Safari, and over here you're going to scroll down all the way down and click on clear history and website data. It will free up all the cached data from the Safari and it will allow you to open all of the websites smoothly. So if the issue is still there, you can again come to Safari within the app section. And this time what you're going to do is scroll down till you find the option of extensions. So you can disable any extension that might be causing the issue. If you have numerous extensions over here, you can turn them back off. So once you do so, you can try opening your Safari and searching something, and that issue would be resolved and your websites would be loaded. However, if the issue is still there, it might be because of your time. So what you can do is click on general, and then you're going to click on date and time. So you get a toggle offset automatically, and then you could toggle it back on. So sometimes the websites do not get loaded because of security layer regarding to your date and time. So if the issue is still there, you can scroll down within the general section, click on transfer or reset iPhone. Here you're going to click on reset. Here you're going to click on reset network settings, and doing so your issue would be resolved. And the last way to get rid of the issue is clicking on general, scroll all the way down and click on VPN and device management. So if you have a VPN connected, I suggest you to disconnect it and try loading your Safari, or if you are not connected to a VPN already, you can try connecting to a VPN and try resolving the issue. After doing these steps, your issue would be resolved and you'll be able to successfully load websites on iPhone on Safari. So that was basically how you can fix Safari not loading websites on iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.